effect, I will show you how to create a black and white video clips in Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud. So let's take a look. This is a colorful video and we want to make it as a black and white video clips. So let's take a look how to make these clips as a black and white video. You just have to use the creative option under volumetry color, and I'm selecting creative option, and from there you have to reduce the value of a faded film, sharpen, vibrance and saturation. So let me decrease the value of these fields and now take a look how it looks like. Here we go. This is our video clips is turned into a black and white video clip. So this is how you will make a colorful video into a black and white video in Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud. Thank you.